guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Agrima, and if you don't know yet, it is Tanvi's birthday month, and as I stated in the previous video, which you'll find somewhere here, the videos are going to be a little more related to Tanvi this month. So today is 4th of August, and what we're going to do today is we're going to have a self-care day vlog for you guys. So I'm just going to Tanvi's place, and from there we'll get all of the, our self-care day started. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Tanvi, did you decide your nails?
No.
Are you excited though?
Yes.
For your pamper day?
Yes, no.
Sir, speaker on है?
Is that the length you're getting?
Yes.
You are getting special treatment.
So are you?
No, because it's your birthday. Did you have fun? Guys, the birthday girl is in the vlog now. Tanvi, show your nails. Are you happy?
Very. बस
I'm
भाई.
so happy, yaar. Me.
Agrima she's talking like this because she wants to show her nails.
Guys, comment down below.
There is an auntie screaming right behind us, maybe at her drive.
So we'll end the vlog here. We will catch you later when we do another activity of our vlog. So catch you later. Bye guys.
Shout in public places, bro. You're like.
That's rude, and people can't vlog like that, so it's not convenient. Okay, bye guys. Now we're going to eat pizza.
Do you want to fall?
No, Tanvi wants to eat non-veg pizza because it's a Wednesday. Where are you?
I am a family believer. I don't eat non-veg on Tuesdays. Rest I can eat.
I only eat margaritas, so...
So we are going to get pepperoni pizza.
No, excuse me, we're getting margaritas for me. Whatever you want, you can eat. Okay?
You are pampering me, so...
Yeah, so I'll get you... Domino's band hai. Okay. What are you having?
One chicken pepperoni and one taco.
Okay.
How do you place an order?
We will.
How? When you ordered, did they give you the bill? No. You didn't even ask for it.
It's wrong. I'm standing right here and it's like a small place.
Irresponsible customer.
Consumer.
Yeah, sorry, consumer. Also no smoking. Don't smoke. धूम्रपान पड़ेगा महंगा. All those who smoke, we don't like you.
Sorry. No.
I don't like you at all. Nescafe, very nice mug, but he let us बहुत जल्दी बाहर आ गए.
This video is only going to be us flaunching our nails, so please don't mind that. ASMR.
We're not an ASMR channel.
We can be. Do you want us to be one? Also, we posted a poll. Not a poll actually, a question and answer thing on Instagram if you guys want to ask us any questions, and you all did, surprisingly. I was not expecting any though. I didn't know people wanted to know so much about you and your birthday. Anyways, one of those questions actually is, when am I being her assistant? Never. Never again in my life. Maybe afterlife. But no one
You
knows
believe
if
in
that-
afterlife?
Actually, I don't. Do you guys?
No, I don't.
I just think that I'm just curious, but I know that I'm never going to find it out because there's no afterlife. If there is, I'll let you guys know somehow. I'll send signs. No, I'll send signs like, guys, there is an afterlife that exists.
Go vlog in the afterlife. Next question is, how beautiful do my nails look?
Amazing. The next question is, what is Tanvi's favorite cake? I know that.
It's very easy. I love chocolate cake.
She actually does. And Any funny stories of your past birthday?
Last year, some people decided it will be funny. Some people decided it will be funny to get me a cake with, like, it was the cake that I wanted. It had like the chocolate outing and everything, like, you know, Kit Kats and everything on it. And when I cut the cake,
We'll put a picture of the cake here.
so when I actually cut the cake, the sudden realization hit me that it's a pineapple cake. I hate pineapple. Until I was when I was a kid, I used to think that I'm allergic to pineapple. My last birthday,
Last to last, when you were?
17.
Okay.
And I absolutely did not want to celebrate that birthday because
She's so excited. She's fumbling.
it's not a funny story. Some of you might feel bad for me. Some of
I
you might
already
actually
am. I don't know
relate.
what she's going to talk
Some
about.
of you might actually relate to it. Is that on my 17th birthday, I did not want to celebrate, but these guys like barged into my house. There were like so many people who came,
Oh,
and
yeah.
pre-COVID times loved it.
Yeah.
A lot of people could come. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग थे. There was actually 3 friend circles of mine. Okay, 3 friend circles.
Yeah.
So when we went out to like for like lunch or dinner.
I'm not putting
Why? So it was so awkward because I had to manage 3 circles.
But the two got mixed up. Only it was majorly 2. It got divided into 2. Majorly.
Yeah. So it's not funny, but it's like
It's dark humor, you guys. And we're getting into dark humor. This is interesting. What was the best thing about last year's birthday since there wasn't too much to do since there was COVID? I think that was the best thing. Okay, say.
the best thing is that they all came over. It was not even like a huge, like they were not even like 5 people.
5.
Yeah, you guys were 5.
Yeah.
So
6.
7. These guys were 7 people, and it was like, matlab, we didn't even do that much. We just ate. We were jamming.
We were literally
talking.
just chit chatting. There was no one
Because
literally.
this was the first time that we had met after so long.
Yeah, because of COVID.
Yeah. So it was like a get together, and also on my birthday. So it was like 2 occasions together. So the best part for me always is that I would always prefer sitting and talking rather than going for a party and drinks and
Yeah,
stuff. I
that's
don't do
Tanvi.
that. I will always prefer
Sitting
this
and talking. Yeah.
over a lot of shorgulla.
This. Let me address it. Don't you think it's sad that you're getting older? How do you actually. Do you get that thought?
I don't think that much, but I know people who
do?
go through these phases, but no. Doesn't really matter to me. It's like
What do you want to tell those people?
it's a natural process. You can't really do anything about it. Getting sad is not going to stop your aging and anything.
No, so like both of us, I mean for me also, this is interesting. Best birthday memory. What is the best memory you have of your birthday? Any of your birthday? Or you can give 2, 3. This actually is turning into a get to know us video / vlog. But that's okay.
The best birthday memory that I have is of my 13th birthday. It was the last birthday I had with my grandfather, and it was also because we had some family thing, and like all of the family members were here on my birthday.
Everyone you were close to was here.
Yeah, which is like very
Yeah.
rare. It never happens. So
It was also like the starting of the teens. So
Yeah.
it was made to be big. And everyone was there, so it was made to be big, and
Yeah.
it did turn out to like big.
Yeah.
What do you like keep with yourself from like some birthday that you'll never forget?
the 13th birthday, I had a whole family photo clicked right here.
You did?
Yeah, not a whole family photo. It was Dadu and Papa and Fufaji with all the kids.
Oh, okay.
So we really wanted to get that photo frame, but it's
Yeah.
like it was clicked on a really old camera, so the pixels are getting like pixels fat rahe. That's the only picture I have kept from that birthday.
Yeah. Someone has wished you happy birthday. What are
Thank
the
you.
celebration plans?
I have no clue. She has all the clues. I don't even know what's happening on my birthday.
Yeah, I told her to not be excited though.
Can you look at this face and tell that if I'm excited?
I mean, it's going to be very simple, very what do you call? It's not going to be big, like big. Like there are not going to be a lot of people and stuff. But because of COVID also, what I am aiming, like I'll give you a gist of what I'm thinking. It's not necessary that there are a lot of people and the crowd is there to make it special. I just aim to make it special.
I'm never that kind of a person.
Yeah, I know. So that is why I just aim to, do the things that she likes, be with the people that she likes, That is what I'm planning. So you'll see the birthday vlog. It will be out the next week will be the preps video. You will see all the preps that I've done. I've vlogged everything. You will see it. You will like literally plan everything, but like after the birthday.
And I'm gonna see it like the moment it's released. I haven't seen it.
Also, do you guys know what is YouTube Premiere? Like there is this feature on YouTube where we can see it with you guys. So we're planning to do this huge thing. I did not talk to you also about it, but I'm planning to do this huge thing wherein we and you guys watch the video together. The preps wali video, not the birthday vlog, the one that will, show the final outcome and everything. But the preps wala, I'm planning to watch it with you guys, and we'll also do an Instagram live if it actually happens, and if we're, gutsy enough to actually go live on Instagram. Who remembers giving countdowns? Or like it's overrated for both of you? What do you think? I think it's talking about the countdowns that people post on Instagram.
Overrated.
It was not overrated until
I remember 2-3 years back we used to like post like countdowns for every day.
Yeah, like weekly also, and then when the day used to come closer, like daily. I think that's overrated now. What do you think I have planned for you? You have to give an answer.
I am not sure.
Make a guess. What do you think I'm going to do? Take a guess.
I know there's a mystery box.
Yeah, that I told you because of the video.
And she's planning to talk to my mom for some like decor or something. So that I know.
What do you think
I'm probably gonna snoop into my mom's phone and check what they're talking about.
That's why I did not text her. I was going to text her.
Shit, man.
I was going to text her yesterday night, but then I didn't. What in your head is the perfect birthday celebration for you? Like, just describe it in the rawest form. Like, it can be outrageous, it can be fancy, it can be completely fictional also.
Most like I want my
Tanvi,
birthday to be like
keep calm.
should have all of my loved ones,
Okay.
all of my like friends, the people who I consider my friends.
Okay.
My friends should be there. My family should be there because as like these friends who are going to be there will obviously know my family and will be close to my family as well. So my friends and family, both parties, I want to be there.
In the same one.
Yeah, and I don't really know what will be the glue holding them together.
It'll
That's
be
me.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to have a party with my closer, and I want
Explain
people
the party.
and I want people to give toasts.
You want people to give toasts?
I want people to like talk about me.
She is self-obsessed.
No, I want people to give like cheers, like raise their glasses and do cheers and everything.
That's actually a nice.
Oh, I want to have that 3-tier cake. I want people.
She wants the outrageous party with close circle.
Yeah.
She wants to do all the kharcha on the close ones and not spend a penny on anyone she's not close to.
Who I don't know. So that was it for the video. This was my pamper day.
Did you have fun?
To say yes, you pampered me enough. We did our nails. We got our nails done.
Yeah. I think they look bomb.
Yeah. Comment down below whose style, like the nail style you like better.
Yeah.
obviously mine because I'm the birthday girl. Please give me some preference somewhere or the other. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video. Stay tuned for the birthday vlog. There are going to be parts of it.
I'm also tuning in because I have no clue what is happening.
So yeah.
Thanks guys for watching. Follow our Instagram if you haven't yet. Bye.